That's the main thing?
Yep.
Okay, is the low back been alright?
Yes.
Did you have to do any shuffling I mean, yesterday?
No.
Okay, that's good. That's good, just relax your legs. Get your husband or your kids to do it.
Yep.
Yeah.
My husband went out and
Nice.
snowblowed everything.
Oh, nice. That was pretty thick.
It was.
Alright, got a good one right here. Yes, yeah, that was great, yeah. That's one we usually need right up top there.
Yeah.
Just lay on your side. I know you do a lot of standing around and kind of hunched over. Okay, go the other way. Okay, lay on your back. That was great. Let me check. Top here. This is gonna be pretty deep here. Oh yeah, right down here too. Good. Just lay back on your stomach. Check. I'm gonna do some work on these shoulders. If this is too much, just tell me. Is that too much?
Nope.
Oh yeah. That's it right there. Is that too much?
Nope.
Okay. Alright, let's do that for today then. This should be all good. Hi, this is Dr. Moran with Kinetic Chiropractic in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm here to talk to you today about chiropractic care. If you're suffering from low back pain, neck pain, headaches, sciatica, migraines, or similar symptoms, chiropractic care is exactly what you need. It's a safe, effective, non-invasive, no-drug approach to healthcare. If you're tired of the same approach of take this medicine until you feel better, and oftentimes you don't feel better, and you want to start addressing the root cause of the problem and not just the symptoms, then we can take care of that for you. If you're watching this video, I encourage you to hit the link and book an appointment with us. We are currently offering a great new patient special. Click the link to learn more and to schedule.